Hello, and welcome to a video showing off how and what it looks like when you join the bonus system in WaveSwaps. First off, we're watching live on the platform the events, in other words, deposits, withdrawals, set refers, and what referrals are getting paid, but live. So we're seeing my refer depositing and showing up on the event box. With that, I refresh my page and the view changes. There's a section with claimable, total, and it displays 28.7280 polygon. Base to cap, it displays 7.5544 polygon. Bonus, gated, and it displays 21.1736 polygon. Now showing my bonus weight, 741.3660 POL assigned to me. Once bonus is active, you share the bonus pool with this weight. It shows on the left of the screen with cap left 422.4440 POL. So this section is where I bought a 500 polygon pack. And when I do a withdrawal, it goes down until it reaches 00. And then I have to buy another pack to continue contributing and making money. Revamp output, cap 656.0000 POL. This is where the 500 polygon pack is located, but see how it says 656 polygon. That's because you get 156 polygon more for using the platform. Contributed, net 328.0000 POL. This section explains itself, but this is what you contributed to the global pool from your 500 POL pack. So let's go back a little. Notice how my claimable total is saying I have 28.7280 POL, and my base to cap says I have 7.5544 POL, and my bonus gated says I have 21.1736 POL. Let's break it down. So first off, base to cap is the polygon I made and am making with my 500 pack I bought. The bonus gated is the polygon I made for my referral bonus program that we witnessed me joining in the start of the video. First, we're watching the live events on the platform. This is where you can see everything happening in real time: deposits, withdrawals, refer setups, and referral payouts. Right now, you're watching my refer make a deposit, and you can see it appear instantly inside the events box. After that, I refresh my page, and this refresh changes the entire view of my dashboard because that deposit unlocked my referral bonus. To unlock the bonus system, you need 5 unique referrals and 5,000 POL in total referral deposits. Once this threshold is reached, the bonus activates automatically. After refreshing, you can now see 3 important values. Claimable, total 28.7280 POL. Base, to cap 7.5544 POL. Bonus, gated 21.1736 POL. You also see my bonus weight, which is bonus weight, 741.3660 POL. This is the weight assigned to me. Once the bonus is active, you share the global bonus pool based on this weight. On the left side of the screen, you'll see several key values. First is cap left, 422.4440 POL. This is connected to the 500 POL pack I purchased. Every time I withdraw earnings, this number decreases. When it eventually reaches 0, I need to buy a new pack to continue contributing and earning. Second is revamp output, cap 656.0000 POL. This is where your 500 POL pack shows up. But as you can see, it displays 656 POL. That's because the system gives you an extra 156 POL for participating on the platform. Third is contributed, net 328.0000 POL. This is how much of your pack has already been contributed back into the global pool. It updates automatically as the system runs. Breaking down claimable, base, and bonus. Let's go back to those 3 values. Claimable, total 28.7280 POL. Base, to cap 7.5544 POL. Bonus, gated 21.1736 POL. Here's what they mean. Base, to cap 7.5544 POL. This is the polygon earned directly from your 500 POL pack. This amount will be deducted from your pack's cap left when you withdraw. Bonus, gated, 21.1736 POL. This is the Polygon earned from your referral bonus, which we saw being activated at the beginning of the video. This bonus is not tied to your pack, so it does not decrease the cap when you withdraw it. Claimable, total, 28.7280 PUL. If I were to withdraw this full amount right now, the system would pay out all 28.7280 PUL, but would only subtract 7.5544 PUL from my cap left, 422.4440 PUL. After the withdrawal, the new value would be cap left, 414.8896 PUL. Because, again, bonus earnings do not affect your pack limit. Only the base earnings do. And that's how the bonus system works on WaveSwaps, shown live and using real data. Thank you all for watching, and I wish you a great day.